Ready to ditch Interact and supercharge your WhatsApp marketing with Aisensy? Let's dive into a seamless account migration. First, export your Interact contacts, log into your Interact account, and navigate to the Contacts section. Look for an export button, usually in CSV format. Click it, and save the file to your computer. Next, review your exported CSV file. Open it in a spreadsheet program. Ensure the column headers, like name and phone number, are clearly labeled. This will help for correct data import in Aisensy. Now, log into your Aisensy account. Find the Contacts section on the Aisensy dashboard. It may be labeled as Contacts, Audience, or something similar, depending on your Aisensy version. Locate the Import Contacts button, click it, and select the CSV file you exported from Interact. Follow the on-screen instructions to map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Aisensy, like the phone number and name. This tells Aisensy where to put each piece of data. Time to transfer your settings. Manually configure your Aisensy account settings to match your preferences from Interact. This includes things like API keys, message templates, and any integrations you had set up. Refer to Aisensy's help documentation or support for guidance on each specific setting. Congratulations, you've successfully migrated your Interact account to Aisensy. Verify that your contacts and settings have been properly transferred and enjoy the enhanced features of Aisensy.